Hi guys, welcome to the part 2 of the tense series. In this video, I'm going to cover up all about past simple tense, how to form it, where to use it, some common mistakes that people make through lots of example sentences so you can understand better. Let's get started. In past simple tense, we use the past simple form of the verb number 2, like eat, ate, eaten. So we use ate. Go, went, gone. So we use went. Here you don't need to think about s, es or is like the present simple tense, which makes the past simple tense more easy to understand. The only thing you need to know is the second form of the verb number 2. Past simple tense has be verbs and other verbs. Let's start with be verbs. Was, were. It is used to express identity or describe something in the past. For example, he was happy. They were excited. I was at the park yesterday. It was a sunny day. Was is used with singular subject like he, she, it, and also with I. And were is used with plural subject like you, we, they. To form the negative, add not after be. Simple, right? He was happy, he was not happy. They were excited, they were not excited. I was at the park yesterday, I was not at the park yesterday. It was a sunny day, it was not a sunny day. And other verbs are here like played, went, cooked. I cooked in the morning. She went to the market. They played cricket. Now, to change these sentences into negative, we cannot just add not. We need more. Did not plus base verb. For example, I cooked in the morning. I did not cook in the morning. She went to the market. She did not go to the market. They played cricket. They did not play cricket. Common mistake. They did not play cricket? No. Don't put the verb to in the negative sentences. Put the base verb. Verb number 1. They did not play cricket. Now look at the question sentences. The rule is be verb plus subject. Was he happy? Were they angry? Was she where? For other verbs, the rule is did plus subject plus base verb. Did she work from home? Did you know the answer? Common mistake. Did she work from home? No. Again, don't put the verb to in question sentences. Put the base verb like work, not worked. Did she work from home? When do we use the past simple tense? We use the past simple tense to talk about something which started in the past and also completed in the past. For example, I read this book. It means I started reading this book in the past and also I completed it in the past. It is also used with time expression to give clarity, like last week, yesterday, last month, last year, at the weekend, in 2022, 2 years ago, or when we were on holiday. For example, she cooked dinner last night. We saw a film on Friday. Now, guys, we use past simple tense to talk about recent past. For example, we visited her yesterday. I worked very hard this morning. This morning is completed. That's why we use past simple tense. Maybe it's afternoon time or evening. And also we use past simple tense to talk about distant past. For example, I lived in Spain for 5 years. They lived in Paris a long time ago. Next, we use past simple tense when something happened in a particular time. For example, the concert started at 7 p.m. The party ended at midnight. The bus arrived at 10 and also within a period of time in the past. For example, she was at school between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Now she is not at school. She was at. between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Maybe now it's 4 p.m. or 7 p.m. I studied French for 2 years. They lived in that house for 10 years. They all show a period of time like for 2 years or for 10 years. Next, we use past simple tense to describe one action. For example, I bought a book. She cooked dinner. He talked to his manager. And to describe sequence of actions like they invited their friends, ordered pizza, and watched the game. Next, past simple tense is used to narrating stories. Of course, stories means to talk about something that already happened in the past, right? So that's why we use past simple tense. For example, once upon a time there lived a young boy named Jack. The cat chased the mouse around the house. Now, guys, it is used to describe past state and condition. For example, he was very happy last week. She was very excited about the upcoming trip. Next, guys, it is also used to describe past habits. For example, I often walked to school when I was a child. And guys, here is a phrase that is commonly used to talk about past habit. That phrase is used to. The basic form is subject plus used to plus base verb. I used to play the piano. She used to go for a run every morning. Next, it is also used to describe past fact. For example, the Titanic sank in 1912. Next, past simple tense is also used to describe interrupted action. Interrupted action means you were doing something in the past but that was suddenly stopped because of another action. For example, I was reading a book when the phone rang. Your reading action was interrupted by the ringing phone. So we use past simple for interrupted action. So the phone rang. One more example. They were cooking when the power went out. Last, you can use the past simple tense to describe actions that happened during the person's lifetime, that the person are no longer alive. For example, she lived in Paris for most of her life and wrote many novels. Shakespeare wrote over 30 plays. This was during his life, and we all know he is dead. So the period of time is finished. Now, guys, stop this video and take this quiz. Okay, so here are the correct answers. Now, guys, here are some incorrect past simple sentences. Find the mistakes and write down the correct answers in the comment section. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And guys, if you haven't watched my previous video about the present simple tense, then go and check that too. I'll put the link in the description box. And guys, if you have any doubt, then please write in the comment section. I would love to answer that. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.